Nanning Dihui Paper Products Company Limited, established in 2012 and located in Nanning, Guangxi, China, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the development, production, sale and service of paper, cup fan, PE-coated paper roll, PE-coated paper sheet, paper cup and paper bowl. We provide the production process and one-stop service of PE-coated printing, die cutting, parting off and cross-cutting. We wish to offer the services of sample modeling, graphic design, PE-coated printing and tutting for the manufacturer of paper cup, paper bowl and food packaging, and long-term supply of high-quality food packing paper for customer, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. With the years of experience in exporting, our products sell well in United States, South Asia, East Asia as well as African countries. We are also constantly exploring new markets all over the world. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have purchased your own paper cup machine, we can provide you with free sample testing machine and free design service. High quality, integrity, innovation, and win-win is our business philosophy. Our aim is offer best service and excellent quality products to satisfy every client. Welcome to visit our company and wish to cooperate with you.